Hi everyone, I'm Crispy Kerrigan and I'm again back with you guys to discuss some new things about life. Today we're going to talk about the dream, the career. Um, how do we choose this career opportunities in our life? What we dream and what we end up with. So I would say if we would have all stuck up with the first dream come true, we all would have been into the world of cowboys and princesses. Isn't it because my first dream was to become a fairy, or maybe your dream was to become a cowboy? But it doesn't mean if you're still thinking and you still have a new dream in your life and you have not achieved it yet, it doesn't mean that you are a failure or you have failed achieving something in your life. Keep bringing it up. आपको ये एक्सरसाइज छोड़ना नहीं है, आपको ये विल पावर छोड़ना नहीं है टू कीप ड्रीमिंग एंड टू कीप सक्सीडिंग इन योर लाइफ. सो आई वुड से maybe at times we supposed to do a law graduation and we end up doing a teaching with small kids. Sometimes our parents wants us to be back home after the graduation, but we want to go on a world tour. I believe let life surprise you. If you have plans today and you did not get them achieved, or if you don't have plans today, whatever, in both the ways, I think if I had plans in my life and it had been successful, I would have never ended up being here where I am today. So it's not important. अगर आज से आपके plans workout नहीं हो रहे हैं, move out नहीं हो रहे हैं, move on नहीं हो रहे हैं, तो but definitely you will end up in the right direction. क्या choose करना चाहिए हमें अपने career के लिए? It's again one thing which a lot of students and parents meet me and come and ask me, what is the right opportunity after my study, after my higher secondary studies? Everyone wants to go abroad is one trend, definitely. International studies are in one trend now. But क्या choose करना चाहिए हमें internationally, which is the right option internationally, which gives my career a fly? Because there are hospitality students as well, there are nurses as well, there are a lot of different professions people choose abroad. I think so. If we see the trend, definitely hospitality was one trend, but अगर आज की डेट में देखें, if anyone who's from medical streams, I think so nursing has the highest trend, their highest wages, they've highly demanded, because the demand of nurses is one chronic condition in all the countries across the world. So the demand, according to the demands, we chose the right options for us, right? And this has to excite you also. The end of the day, I always say that don't just opt because you're medical stream, so you want to become a nurse. No, it's not important. You can end up working as a chef also, because that's something excites you to do. So nursing is one career, definitely. Fashion designing is one career, definitely is one choice. Internationally also, kids would like to go for it. Except in this flight attendants, means the cabin crews, the air hostesses, cabin crews. This is also very upcoming trend nowadays, that again this is in demand. As we see, a lot of recession is going to come after this COVID-19 goes off, and a lot of people have laid off. So new jobs will come up, new opportunities are coming up. We need to find out the new opportunities for us. Flight attendants is one option. Going into business studies is definitely one option. But then if we talk about the skilled educations, then nursing, hairdressing, and then I just said that fashion designing, and a lot of other opportunities like hospitalities, business. These are the major courses, these are the major streams where students see their lifestyle working on very high scales. So new jobs will come up, new opportunities are coming up. We need to find out the new opportunities for us. Flight attendants is one option. Going into business studies is definitely one option. But then if we talk about the skilled educations, then nursing, hairdressing, and then I just said that fashion designing, and a lot of other opportunities like hospitalities, business. These are the major courses these are the major streams where students see their lifestyle working on very high scales. So I think so. Before you chose the right option for your career, just think whether this excites you. You want to do this. If yes, you get an answer from your heart saying yes. Hospitality means hotel industry excites me. I want to be a chef. Maybe I want to be a front office executive. This is something exciting. I will meet different people every day. So if this excites you, तभी आपको वो ऑप्शन अपनी लाइफ में चूज करना है. Chose your studies. The trend has changed. Not relevancy is no more important. You chose your right studies. You chose what you like to do. I think so. You will end up on a right way.